Stop. If you're making this mistake in Salah, your prayer might not be accepted. Even the Prophet told someone to repeat his prayer. Because of this, many Muslims rush through their Salah, moving like a robot. But did you know this can make your prayer invalid? The Prophet once saw a man praying too fast and said, "Go back and pray, for you have not prayed." Bukhari. Here are 3 mistakes that can ruin your Salah. Praying too fast. Salah should be slow and focused, not pausing between movements. Take a second before the next action. Looking around, your eyes should stay on your prayer spot. Fixing this is easy. Just slow down, focus, and remember, Salah is your direct conversation with Allah. The more khushu, humility, you have, the higher your reward. Now tell me, have you ever rushed your Salah? Comment below and share this with someone who needs to hear it.